Hi everyone, my name is Lena Nguyen. I'm a family law attorney. Today we're going to talk about the different parts of a divorce decree. What is included in a divorce decree? Well, first off, a divorce decree is a final court order that officially ends the marriage. So regardless of whether your divorce was resolved through negotiation, mediation, arbitration, or a trial, a divorce decree is necessary because it sums up the rights and duties of the parties in connection with the divorce. It's signed by the couple and the judge, and it is filed with the court. The following is a list of what is generally included in a divorce decree. But keep in mind, the more complex the divorce, the more sections and clauses a decree will have. Number 1, identification of the couple and children. This section will include the full name of both spouses and their respective attorneys if they had any. And if there are no children of the marriage, this section will state that there were no children of the marriage. And if there are children, this section will identify each child. The second section is jurisdiction. This section states the court has the power to hear your case and grant you a divorce. So you must file your petition or complaint in the appropriate court. That is, the court must have jurisdiction over your case. Jurisdiction is determined by residency at the time of filing for divorce. The third section in a divorce decree addresses child support and child custody. This section will address the following. Conservatorship. Is it joint or sole managing conservatorship? Which parent gets to determine the primary resident of the child or children? Who will pay child support? Who will receive child support payments? How much will child support be? Who will pay for medical insurance, dental insurance, and what's the visitation schedule like? The fourth section is the division of assets. This section will dispose of all the property belonging to the couple. It will specifically state what is deemed separate property, that is, property that belongs solely to one spouse, and what property will be split and how the properties will be split. The fifth section will cover reimbursement. Reimbursement is when one spouse seeks to recover money from the other spouse in a divorce. For instance, if spouse number 1 owns a house and it is separate property, but community funds are used to add a pool to that house, a reimbursement claim would seek to recover the money that was spent on adding the pool to spouse number 1's house. Number 6, taxes. This section will address how taxes will be handled for the year of divorce, how tax refunds will be split, and the exchange of information that will be necessary for the respective parties to file their future taxes. The seventh section is a name change. If a spouse is seeking to change their name back to their maiden name, it is requested in this section. Number 8, last but certainly important, attorney's fees and costs. This section allocates all attorney's fees and costs associated with the case. So who will pay for the attorney's fees? Who will pay for court costs? It is all addressed in this section. Thank you so much for following along. I hope you found the information useful and helpful. Keep in mind, the listed sections are generally included in a divorce decree. Some states may have mandatory sections that must be included in a divorce decree, so please consult your local rules. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free self-help divorce kit, please check the description box below to sign up.